Hey, I am so excited that you found me. You were probably scrolling through TikTok or Instagram and thought, hey, this girl knows what she's talking about, or I really like her vibe. Well, let me tell you that I like your vibe too, especially if you are a creator. My name is Kaylee and I go by Kaylee Sue Vinyl here on social media. What this platform is an all-inclusive creative community that I have created so that I can share all of my knowledge with you when it comes to sublimation in vinyl crafts. When I started many years ago, there wasn't really a crafting community out there that wanted to help me or answer any of my questions. They kind of viewed me as competition, and everybody at that time was viewing each other as competition, which is one thing that I don't do. Over the years, I've spent a lot of money running through the trial and error process, and I've spent a lot of time talking down to myself and getting discouraged because I felt like I could never figure this out. Well, now that I have a grip on things, I am so excited to be able to have this community and share exactly what I've learned throughout all of these years. I love creating, it's a passion of mine, and I want to give you guys the ability and the confidence to do the exact same thing. This crafting community is filled with a bunch of step-by-step tutorials, inclusive digital downloads, and everything you need to know to be the best creator possible. We do have two different tiers. The gold tier gives you everything you need within resources, videos, templates, guidelines, where you should get your products, all of the things. If you decide to take the next step up to the diamond tier, you unlock everything in the gold tier, plus live Q&A sessions, fun craft nights, and direct contact with myself. I would love nothing more than you to join our family here. It is such a fun place, and I already have a bunch of resources listed down below. Feel free to check everything out, get a good handle on everything, and I will talk to you very soon.